Welcome to Statics Lectures by Civil Thinking, and in this class we are going to solve some problems on parallelogram law of addition of vectors. Now before I move on, I suggest you to please watch the statics lectures in sequence as in the playlist. You will find the playlist link in the description, or you can also click here. Now coming back to the topic, we are going to solve the problem on parallelogram law of addition of vectors. Now the problem is two forces 3 Newton and 4 Newton are acting at a point such that the angle between them is 60 degrees. The magnitude and direction of resultant force related to 4 Newton force are respectively. Now we have two forces given, 3 Newton and 4 Newton. Let me say this is 3 Newton, okay, and let me say this is 4 Newton, okay. This is 4 Newton, okay, and the angle between them is 60 degrees. It is 60-degree angle. The magnitude and direction of resultant force. Now we have to find the magnitude of the resultant of these two, right? Now we know the resultant of the 3 Newton and 4 Newton will be somewhere between them according to the parallelogram law of vector addition. Now if you don't know about parallelogram law of vector addition, you can click here to watch the lecture on it. Now resultant will be somewhere here between them, right? Let us say this is the resultant. Now what is the magnitude of resultant? It is under root of f1 square plus f2 square plus 2 f1 multiplied by f2 multiplied by cos theta. Okay, let us say this is f1 and let us say this is f2. Okay, then this is the basically the magnitude, okay, magnitude of the resultant. So the magnitude of the resultant is under root of f1 is 3 Newton, f2 is 4 Newton plus 2 times 3 times 4 times cos of 60 degrees, right? The angle between them is 60 degree. So when you solve this using calculator, you will get 6.08 Newton, okay. Now the magnitude of the resultant is 6.08 Newton, okay. Another question asked is direction of resultant force related to 4 Newton, okay. This is the resultant force. We have to find the direction of resultant force relative to the 4 Newton. So we will find the angle between 4 Newton and R, okay. Let us say this is beta. Then again, according to the parallelogram law of addition of vectors, okay, beta is tan inverse of f1 sine theta divided by f2 plus f1 cos theta, okay. Now if you are wondering where did this come from, please watch the video lecture on parallelogram law of addition of vectors. Now when you put the values, you will get f1 sine theta, right? It is 3 multiplied by sine 60 degrees divided by f2 is 4 Newton plus 3 cos 60 degree, right? f1 cos 60 degree, f1 is 3 and theta is 60 degree. So when you solve this using calculator, you will get beta to be 25.285 degrees, okay. So we have this angle beta to be 25.285 degree, okay. Now which option is correct? Now here is 6.08. Do we have any option? Okay, 6.1 is approximately 6.08, right? Because it's approximately 6.1 Newton. Now 25.28. Now here is 25.3 because 25.285 is approximately 25.3 degrees, right? So we can clearly see option A is the correct option, okay. So in this way we have solved this problem. Now if you have any doubt, please comment, and see you in another class. Thank you.